Hello, I'm Osman, and today we have a very special edition of the Egg Drop Challenge. I'm here in Australia with our guest, HowToBasic.
The Egg Drop is a science experiment for young children and YouTubers, where each competitor is responsible for building a contraption capable of protecting a raw chicken egg from a dangerous fall.
Now I know why they keep you behind the camera. You ready? Do you know how this works? We each get an egg. Do you know how to say egg? You get $3. Do you know how to say dollar? Is everything all right? Do you come here a lot? All right, so the first rule of the egg drop is don't stick each other's fingers in each other's mouth. I've made a mistake. You want to take us to the dollar store? I don't live here. Is it like a $2 store? Because your dollar is pretty bad compared to our dollar. The Australian dollar sucks. So what do you call them? Dollary dues? Left turn? Right turn. All those cars coming. Straight? I feel like I gotta interview you. What do you do for fun?
You're not gonna get anything out of it. More fronts and that.
Can you drive?
That's pretty good. I would expect a guy like you to not drive.
Wait, we don't need gas. I said a dollar store. You said your throat hurt. I think at this point in the video, with everyone else, we would have already been building our contraptions. Hello. Are you kidding me? I'm so upset with you right now. Take us to the dollar store! Stop. Dollar store. Dollar store. The dollar store is that way? Have you ever been to jail?
Yes.
For this kind of stuff?
No.
Oh my god, what the f was that? Sound like a dog whistle. Those ear piercings.
What do your parents think of your YouTube channel? Do you have parents? Are you a parent? Do you buy your eggs from the dollar store? Are you good at things other than making YouTube videos? Do you know math? English? Science? No, dollar store. Have you ever coughed up blood?
Same brand.
Australia's official lottery. Okay. The koala one? Three of the koala ones. Yep. I'll do the house ones.
One of this one.
Yeah. Need a scratcher? American penny. Fun fact about the American penny is it costs more money to make than it's worth. Oh, I've lost. I lost. And I lost that one. Well, I have lost all 3 of my scratchers. What'd you win? That's a lot of money. What do you want to do? We'll just go get it and figure it out. A $5,000 egg drop. Can I have some of your money? Do you gonna share it with me?
I scanned it and then sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, no
So-
winning there, but I was like,
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
We're back from the store. Egg Boy wanted to get all his winnings out in cash and then not spend it on anything. Can you explain how you're gonna protect an egg using nothing but cash? Oh, look at that, it survived. There's so much tension on this table right now. I'm putting 5 minutes on the clock, starting now. Oh, where'd my other lotto tickets go? Oh, crap. This is embarrassing. Why did I gamble? I shouldn't have gambled. All right, I got some Twitter questions for you. Does it hurt? I thought so. Egg. Can he do the egg drop challenge? How do you like your eggs cooked? Wow. What is your favorite food to smash? Huh. Are you okay? All right, that's enough Twitter questions. Let's finish your build. There's only a couple minutes left. Oh, we beat the timer. All right, let's go up to the roof. Welcome to the roof. It's not really a roof, it's the best we could do. Tell us what you did and what you call it.
Egg.
Okay, and what do you call it?
Egg.
Okay, that's very creative. This is my egg drop contraption. I've made it by taping 3 losing lotto tickets around it, and I call it Gambling is for Idiots. Don't gamble.
Is that actually $5,000?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. Welcome to the ledge. I'm gonna go first. 3, 2, 1, drop. It just exploded out the sides. I saw it explode out the sides. Oh, that sounded thick. All right, let's come down and investigate. So this is gonna be less of a question of did I win or who won in general, and more of if I open the gate really hard, I can.
Oh, that hurts to look at.
All right, so you didn't win.
I lost. Oh, and it fell out. I can't eat it now. I'm excited to see if you also lost. Yeah, don't break your money. No way. It totally survived. This sucks. I suck at this. Looks good to me. Joke's on you, now you got egg on your money. Thank you very much. Can't do this with American dollars.